edition in our Mission Possible series. This is video number, well, not really number 20, it's 26, which is our Fiat on-ramp. Let's engage. All right, so what we're going to cover, mission in brief. Now, first thing first, we know that the off-ramp first is coming for Animal Farm. Next is going to be the drip faucet side is going to have this on-ramp as well. We'll see in a second. Welcome to the best Fiat on-ramp in crypto, period. The mastermind has done it again and secured us a 25% cheaper fee than any other Fiat on-ramp, period. And if you saw my video where I did the comparison between the Fiat on-ramp that we have, we're going to call it the Animal Farm Fiat on-ramp, and Crypto.com, I saved 36 cents in fees compared to Crypto.com. All right, let's continue. We have privacy issues, truly anonymous emails, how to get there, how to use the Fiat on-ramp, the response, transaction history, chatting it up, 3D secure, minor maintenance, and responses from Globanance. Let's go. All right, secret cell level 7 information for the legends. You are required to insert a email to use the Fiat on-ramp. Now, please understand what I'm about to go over. Gmail is not a secure. Okay, Gmail is a secure emailing service, but it's not close to being anonymous. Google can see everything you've ever sent and received. You should know that anyone, a hacker, the tracker, can track those emails right back to you. You can use you can put fake info in there, but it doesn't matter. Google knows who you are and where you are based on your IP address and other information that they have. So I listed 7 emails that you can use that are anonymous. Proton Mail, Tutanota, Mailfence, Anadi, Anonymity, private email, hush mail, and counter mail. As you see, when I go out and show you legends how to use the Fiat on-ramp, I created a Proton Mail. All right, let's continue. Excuse me. This is the Fiat on-ramp for, the drip faucet. As you can see, this is where you're going to click Fiat, and the Fiat on-ramp pops up, poof, you put in your information, and you continue on. That's on the drip side. Now, to get there from the Animal Farm side, you're going to log into Animal Farm. This is the home page for the Animal Farm. You're going to click right here, Fiat on-ramp. Then it's going to pop up and look like this. Now, you're ready to go purchase your tokens so you can get into the game, do whatever you're going to do, invest, whatever. You can invest in drip, the Animal Farm, the farms, the pools, the pig pen, a plethora of things. Okay, so you click the Buy Now button in order to proceed. You know what? Let me go do the video. Let's go so you can see it in action. Legends, this is going to be our walkthrough. So we arrived at the Animal Farm. This is the landing page. Of course, you can see here the TVL, the pools on the farm, and a little bit of information. Whoops, here. So like I said, this is the page. So once you arrive here, right here, top, the closest to the price right now is the Fiat on-ramp. We're going to select that. Now, so they're going to tell you the different coins that we support. Animal Farm pigs, Animal Farm dogs, and then a range of different cryptocurrencies. And you can use Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. So let's go Buy Now. Okay, put my address in here. Okay. Let it process. Okay, so now we come to the Globant widget. I guess that's the good word for it, widget. It's just a different widget because the widget doesn't pop up in a separate window. It stays, we're still on Animal Farm. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we'll use credit card. So we're just going to do $10. And I'm going to get some BNB. Okay, so out of the $10, I'm going to receive $7.82. That's what I'm going to receive in fiat. That's minus all the fees and everything like that. So then we click continue. We're letting it go through, do what it's doing. So it was, yeah, $2.18 is the fee over, if we can see over here to the left. I'm gonna get my ledger ready. Not sure why it's taking so long. Yeah, I don't know why it's taking so long to go through. Anyhow, that's what's supposed to happen. Because the next would be the credit card info. Since I select the credit card, I'd have to put my address and zip code in, then hit save. You can save that information for later on. That's up to you. Or if you're going to do your gift card, there should be a block for the gift card as well. But it's really simple to use. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. So now, after I click the enter, it will send a verification since that was the first time I used the email. So then I have to go out to my email here and to the inbox, copy the code, do my verification code, 349200. All right, so 349200, and then it automatically goes through. Okay, now they want to enter the wallet that they're going to send so copy the BNB to. So you paste your wallet in there and continue. In payment. So since it was going to let me do Google Pay, there was a problem charging the card. See, I have to figure out how to get it in there. Okay, so we're just going to do the new card. All right, we're going to pause and I will be back. Now we're just waiting for the card to process. It's going through. And now the transaction is pending. Your payment may be approved or declined in some time. So you have your transaction ID, the amount, and the date and time. But that's pretty much essentially it. And you should get a notification inside of your email as well. Yep, so that's it for the transaction. But it's really just that seamless. And that is it. Okay, now that you saw it in action, so now you know how to spend, how to put the receive, where you're going to receive the money and everything there. Of course, you saw the transaction is pending. Now, if it goes through instantly, of course, you're going to be approved and the funds will be sent automatically to your wallet or based on the address that you input. To see your transaction history, right at the bottom of the wallet where you put your address, you're going to see right here, it says transaction history. Click it, and then it's going to pop up, and it's going to show all the transactions that you've conducted. Now, how far back, I'm not sure because it's brand new, but it does say, today, yesterday, a couple of days back. Now, if you're going to have an issue or anything like that, you're going to need to know the PB number. And the PB number is right under here, as well as right here under the transaction details. It says PB blankety blank, 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 blank. So these are the PB numbers that they're going to ask you for if you chat with Binance, with Globant. Now, if you need to chat and there's an issue, your payment didn't go through or your charge or anything like that, you click the live chat button and they come live. They are pretty responsive. They are pretty quick. I know mine was actually off regular business hours and I still got a response. So, like I said, the mastermind be doing what he does. He be Devin. And like I said, just click the chat and go ahead and talk, and you see the pop-up pops up and they say, how can I help you? And you just do whatever you need to say. And this is what I had asked Kathy about my experience with trying to use Brave. It seems, I guess for where I am, Brave in Globinance is having an issue. I'm not sure. I'm going to keep trying. Then I asked her about the 3D Secure. So the 3D Secure is a secure online payment service available for Visa, MasterCard. I never saw this pop up. She said if the security system activated on your card, the 3D Secure window will open. This never opened for me. I don't know if that's due to the fact I'm on Brave or what. And it says your bank will ask you to verify your identity by entering an authentication code. In most cases, this is a single-use security code that is sent to you by SMS on your mobile phone. Once you enter the correct security code and your payment is accepted, your booking is confirmed. Booking or charge, they call it a booking. Then, because Kathy was saying over here, we apologize for the trouble. Please follow the steps mentioned to resolve the issue. Like I said, it seemed like it wasn't working with me with Brave. So first thing, of course, clear the cache and check the cookies, disable the add-ons. Didn't have those. I don't use a VPN. Try to connect with another network or hotspot and try a different device or browser. So I'm just giving you some tips in case you do have issues. There you go. Now, the mission notes. Brave. I had an issue with it, but I know there's other legends out there that didn't have an issue with Brave. Now, they are in different locations. So you can try it. I'm a Brave person. I'm not switching to another browser just to use the on-ramp, but you have to do what's best for you. If you're not a Brave user already, then you're good to go. Chrome, there was some minor issues with Chrome, but again, it could be based on location. Then they say Firefox had no issues. So whatever you use, if you use Brave, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari because you're on Apple, or what's the other one? Edge. If you're Microsoft, it is what it is. Now, the email, I gave you the list of 7 different anonymous email services that you could use that are free. And then the VPN. If you use a VPN, that's on you. You have to do what's best for you, depending on your location, in order for you to, take control over your financial future. So again, there'll definitely be an update. I'll probably put an MSU out. Legends know that's the mission status update. If there's any significant changes to the on-ramp. If not, then if it is more than normal, then I'll go ahead and create another MP period, 26-1. So we went over the best fiat on-ramp in crypto. As we see, privacy issues, being truly anonymous. And I gave you the 7 of those, how to get there, how to use it. The response from the Globinance team, transaction history, how to find it, how to chat if you need to chat, the 3D Secure, and the responses from the Globinance team. Now, as always, this is for informational and educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here just providing some edutainment and providing some information to all the legends out there on using the new fiat on-ramp for the animal farm and soon to come for the drip ecosystem. Like I said, the mastermind got it. Besides for these little minor glitches, which will probably more than likely be fixed. Like I said, it's just a matter of using the right browser. Now, another thing I didn't cover was the use of a prepaid card, because I don't use those. If you use those, now matter of fact, I'll go and purchase one and try that out and do it on video just to ensure that my legends know how to do it. So all I ask is that you please, always remember the 3. Number 1, crypto is an individual endeavor. Do what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances. Use whatever browser you want to use. If you need a VPN, use what you need. Pick you a safe and secure and anonymous email provider. Number 2, we have the best community. hands down, and the best development team out there. Yes, he may be on Forex Standard Time. Yes, he may be just a tad bit OCD, but he's always going to do what's best for us. And of course, our dev team is led by the mastermind. And of course, number 3, increase your knowledge, reduce your risk. Thank you for taking time to watch the MP series. I know it's a lot of videos. We're over 80 videos in the series, including the 12 videos in the Fire series. But as always, please remember to please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of my legends, engage.